Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to reset a Toyota RAV4 maintenance light. First, turn your ignition to the on position, but make sure the engine doesn't start. You'll want to see your odometer reading displayed, not the trip A or trip B. Once confirmed, turn the ignition completely off. This sets us up for the next crucial step in the reset process, ensuring everything is aligned for a smooth procedure. Now, with the ignition off, press and hold your trip meter reset button. While you're holding it down, turn the ignition back to the on position. Don't start the engine, just turn it to on. Continue to hold that button for about 10 seconds. You'll notice some activity on your dashboard display during this time, indicating the system is responding to your input. As you hold the button, the maintenance light will flash a few times and then completely disappear. Once it's gone, you can release the trip meter reset button. To confirm the reset was successful, turn your ignition off, then back on. The maintenance light should now be off, indicating you've successfully cleared the reminder. Great job. If the maintenance light happens to come back on, don't worry. Just repeat these steps from the beginning, paying close attention to each detail. Sometimes it takes a second try to get it just right. For any specific model variations, your Toyota RAV4 owner's manual is always a fantastic resource. Also, for those looking to improve their financial well-being, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.